In this video, you'll learn about the best 48-inch all-gas pro ranges, including one new brand you really should consider, as well as reasons to consider all-gas over dual fuel. Dual fuel is better for baking and includes more technology on many brands. We have a separate video just on 48-inch dual fuel ranges. All gas is a moisture heat, so it's better for roasting and it's way better for broiling, especially with the directed heat of an all-gas infrared broiler. Gas is also 10 to 15% less expensive than dual fuel and runs on 120 volts, so you don't have to get a separate 240 volt line. Now, let's look at the best 48-inch all-gas ranges. By the way, we do not accept any money for reviews. What you see is based on our customers' experiences and performing over 100,000 service calls in less than 3 years. Let's get started. Wolf is a well-respected cooking brand owned by Sub-Zero and made in the USA. They're best known for their professional style ranges with signature red knobs. Let's look at Wolf's best features. One of the best features of this range is its infrared grill and griddle that can reach temperatures as high as 16,000 BTU and 15,000 BTU respectively. Wolf's grill works like an outdoor grill's sear zone. Furthermore, the grill is easy to clean as the infrared technology burns off any drippings or residue. Most pro ranges you see will have 2 dedicated simmer burners, but the Wolf can simmer at 340 BTU on every burner and it's consistent, not intermittent like some of the others. Like most ranges, Wolf is straight single convection, meaning the heat starts at the bottom and then is recirculated through the oven. Being a family-owned American company, Wolf is renowned for its exceptional after-sales service. Service is critical, especially if you're buying from a store without service, which you probably are. Wolf lacks more of the sophisticated controls and smart technology that some of the brands offer. Additionally, they do not offer any color options either. BlueStar is another US-based family-owned company that specializes in commercial cooking appliances. Among the various professional ranges available on the market, BlueStar is known for power and the ability to customize. You also have every option with BlueStar in terms of grill, griddle, and front stop options. The BlueStar range is highly customizable with over 1,000 color options and 10 trims available. Over 75% of BlueStar ranges that are purchased at Yale are bought in a color. BlueStar's all-gas range has 5 different lines, with the Platinum and R&B series being the most popular. The Platinum series features open burners like a restaurant, which is good news and bad news. The good news is you can take them apart to clean them at the sink. The bad news is if you spill a lot, you have to clean between the range top and the top of the stove, unlike a sealed burner. However, 25,000 BTU is the highest output on a range that you can buy. So the Platinum offers 25,000 BTU burner, a 22,000 BTU burner, and a 15,000 BTU burner. The range uses pure convection in its ovens, with the heating element located in the back for better distribution of heat, unlike straight convection, which heats from the bottom and then is distributed by the fan in the back. R&B series has a built-in grill and griddle with slightly lower BTU output than the Platinum, but it's still high at 22,000 BTU max output. It also offers a French top option, which will allow you to cook many different items at the same time by moving them around on the French top to achieve different temperatures. The Platinum range does come with an interchangeable grill and griddle, but it won't sear like the R&B's built-in options. The grill and griddle are regular gas in the Platinum, not infrared, so the heat is not as directed or intense. Simmer is a bit high at 13,000 BTU at the lowest setting. And like the Wolf, you don't have a clock or timer built into the range. Thermador, owned by BSH Home Appliances Corporation, is a popular cooking brand with a solid rebate program with free dishwashers and hoods, depending on what you buy. Although BSH is a German corporation, Thermador products are actually manufactured in the US. Thermador offers 15 different 48-inch ranges, ranging from $10,499 to $19,000, which can make choosing the right one a bit confusing. However, the decision can be made almost by process of elimination. The first choice you need to make is if you want a Pro Grand or a Pro Harmony series Thermador range. The Pro Grand series is the premium offering of the two, with a larger capacity oven, a high BTU output burner of 22,000 BTUs, and it's self-cleaning and also offers Wi-Fi connectivity. On the other hand, Pro Harmony series is actually more popular because it doesn't protrude from your cabinets, unlike the larger capacity Pro Grand. The Thermador Pro Harmony is less expensive. Both ranges have star burners, which can simmer at 100 BTUs on 2 burners. Thermador star burners are raised for easy cleaning as well. Thermador has a combination of 18,000 and 15,000 BTU burners. The Pro Grand will have one 22,000 BTU max output burner. Both the Pro Grand and the Pro Harmony series feature an electric griddle. However, electric is not as responsive as gas. Monogram is a luxury appliance brand made in the US but owned by Haier, and it's recently launched a new professional range with smart technology and a more updated style. This range is inexpensive for its category at only $11,000, and it currently offers credits to be used towards the purchase of other Monogram appliances. The Monogram Smart range allows for connectivity via their Smart HQ app to numerous recipe sites. Their Smart range is one of the few on the market to offer such advanced features. Monogram is the first range on this list with an actual clock. Monogram's burners are made of durable brass. Only a La Cornue range, priced at over $50,000, features brass burners. The burner outputs are impressive, with one 23,000 BTU burner, two 18,000 BTU burners, and two 15,000 BTU burners. Monogram has brass accents, and you can change the accent lighting colors on the range. The griddle is 18,000 BTU, which is the highest on this list, and you can actually cook by a specific temperature, unlike the high, medium, and low of the other brands. Monogram is straight convection, and you have one choice: 6 burners and a griddle. And now for a unique range. SKS is the luxury division of LG, and to say it's unique is an understatement. The burners are capable of producing 23,000 BTUs of power, with a combination of 15,000 BTUs after that. In addition, 2 of the burners have a 100 BTU simmer, tied with Thermador for the lowest. The knobs, like Monogram, light up, and they also have timers associated with each of them. If you're looking for a range with a griddle, the SKS Pro range has one option in all gas. And the griddle is chromium, so it's simple to clean. The oven controls on the SKS are simple swipe controls like your phone. You can set the cooking mode and choose your time easily. It's one of the easiest to use on this list. Like the BlueStar Platinum, SKS has pure convection with the heat blown in from the back. Lastly, SKS has made their Pro range Wi-Fi enabled through LG's ThinQ app. This allows you to control and monitor the range remotely. Lastly, SKS has a 3-year full warranty. SKS only offers one model with a griddle, and it's brand new, so there isn't a ton of service history just yet. So what do you think? Do any of these gas ranges have the features you want? If not, check out this video on the best 48-inch dual fuel ranges. And thanks for watching.